going on, everyone? If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoy the content, make sure to drop a thumbs up on it. Today we're going to be servicing a 35G, I think it is? Yeah, 35G John Deere mini excavator. This is a new machine, so we're just, sorry, the lighting's probably terrible. Oh God. So right now it's still got the break-in oil in it and everything, so today I think we're just going to do oil change and all the filters, like the air filter and oil filter and probably the fuel filters today, just to clean everything up. But we're going to go through and show you everything on that. This is obviously a truck channel, but like I told you guys, we do some contracting stuff, some excavation, kind of a little bit of everything. So we have a mini excavator. So we're going to be showing you kind of how to do everything to that. Doing everything on that today. We will be going over the service. I'll break it down real quick. Looks pretty straightforward though. There's an oil fill, there's an oil filter, there's a drain plug on the bottom, which you can see. Right down here, I don't know if you can see that, yeah, right there. There's a fuel filter, and I believe there's one more fuel filter right in here. So, anyways, pretty straightforward. Just gonna change that. I'll probably do this on a time lapse just to show you guys. Nothing too crazy, just kind of what I'm doing at the shop today, kind of getting everything moving today, ready for the next few weeks coming up for work and stuff. But while we're on the topic of being in the shop today, I want to show you guys some cool metal art that we do here. So if you guys ever want anything designed or anything like that, we can definitely hook it up. I know I posted a video a little while back, but too many of you guys probably didn't see that. So we have some signs like this that were cut out. This is the shop logo for the Davis Metals. That's a Razor windshield frame template, or that's actual windshield. I think there's some like 50 cals over here with little stands. Here, I'll see if I can set up, hold on. Something like that, maybe not 50 cal, but some kind of little sniper setup. We got this Jeep Wrangler here, and we had these kangaroos that we were selling. Half of the donations were going to the wildfires in Australia. That's where they're for. They're actually bottle openers though. So yeah, they're little beer bottle openers. Half the proceeds are going to the wildfires down there. So just some cool little things that we do around the shop. We're waiting for my buddy Eric to get back here. We're gonna look some things over real quick. But yeah, if you guys ever want anything or need anything, we have plenty of tools and custom stuff. Like I said, we're gonna be doing custom truck stuff here. And pretty much my whole truck will be built here. Painted, everything probably. And as you can see, this is the LBZ we've been building, which is ready for paint and body work in a bed. My LOY, and then my other LOY, that's the custom build that we're going to be tearing down. So that's why it's here. Kind of start tearing stuff down and getting everything ready. We were kind of playing on the hills a little bit, if you can see that, but yeah, so I'm going to start taking this apart soon and kind of working on some things. I was thinking about designing, and I don't know if you guys would like this idea or not, but I was thinking about designing like aluminum fender wells, because mine melted on the twins, and I think it'd be super clean for like the SEMA build. If that's something that you guys might be interested in down the road, I might be able to expedite the process and start working on those sooner than later, just to get rid of the crummy plastic ones, and we'll come up with some kind of fastener device or whatever in place of the plastic ones. I think the plastic ones would be fine, but just an idea if you guys are thinking about it. I think I'm going to do it anyways just because I can, but if you guys would like to buy them, let me know. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Just kind of chilling out, slow day. Dropped off that LB7 Duramax. We brought that back to the customer. He's stoked to have it back and running and everything. It's all good for that one injector that was hung open. So shop's empty, but well, not empty. It's never empty. We're actually gonna go through and clean the entire thing tomorrow and kind of reorganize to get things all set up how we want it to work a little bit better. And yeah, enough rambling from me for right now. the air filter, change the oil, drain the fuel filter, water separator, and drain the bottom of the fuel tank for any sediment. We have greased every fitting, which there's like about 10 million between here and here. But anyways, it's all greased, should be good, ready to go. And yeah, we're letting it warm up. We're gonna move it out of the shop and bring in the other truck. It's supposed to rain tonight, so we're just cleaning stuff up, but that's pretty much gonna do it for today. Thanks for tuning into the video today, guys. I'm done. That's a wrap for today. I'm exhausted, so I'm now home. I'm gonna get cleaned up and go to bed. So I appreciate you guys, as always, checking in the channel. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. I'm out.